subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class we will try to solve more bits on gate which were asked in number system. So these bits were asked in 2004 and 2005, and the bits are if 73 base x, we can't call it is 73 because we cannot say that it is a decimal number. If 73 base x in base x number system, so this is in base x number system, we don't know what that base is equal to 54 base y. So what this x and the values, the possible values of x and y are. So they are saying that what is the equivalent number of this number. So 73 in the base x is equivalent to 54 in base y. So what are the bases of x and y? So what are the values of x and y so that both of them are equal? So how to find that is take the two numbers base x and 54 base y. How to solve this is consider each and every option and put these options here, and based upon these options convert them into decimal. How to convert a number in base x to decimal number? So we have made a separate video on this, how to convert a number in a particular base into a decimal number to the base 10. How to convert is find the weights, sum of the positional weights of the given number. Assume this, take the option as x is equal to 8 and 16. Find the decimal equivalent. If both of them are equal, this means that the values of x and y are these are the values of x and y. Okay, are you able to get the point? Convert based upon the options. Take the options and substitute all the options in x and y. So if you substitute 8 and 16 here, and if you convert this base 8 number into base 10 and this base 16 number into base 10, if you are able to convert that, and if both the values, the decimal values are same, then the values of x and y are 8 and 16. So this is how we are going to solve this solve this problem. How to do that is, it is 3 into 8 power 0 plus 7 into 8. So 8 sevens, it is 56 plus 3, which is equal to 56 plus 3 is 59, and this is 4 into 16 power 0 plus 5 into 16. 5 into 16 means 80 plus 4, which is equal to 84. Are they both equal? No, they are not. Similarly 10 and 12. So the value of x is equal to 10 and the value of y is equal to 12. So how to solve this? It is 3 into 10 power 0 plus 7 into, okay, so this is decimal number, right? It is 73, and this is 12. 5 into 12 plus 4, it is 64. Okay, 73 is not equal to 64. Similarly, substitute 9 and 13. If you substitute 9 and 13, it is 7 into 9 plus 13. 63 plus 13. 63 plus 13 is 676. Similarly, okay, and this is 13. How to do that is 5 into 13, 65 plus 4, which is equal to 69. This is also not the right option. Now take 8, value of x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 11. So it is again 8 we have found previously, the value is 59. Okay, and the value of this is 11 into 55, 11 into 5, which is 55 plus 4, which is equal to 59. 59 is equal to 59. So the right option is 8, 11. And coming to this bit, the hexadecimal representation of 657 base 8. So what they are asking is, they are asking us to convert base 8 number to base 16. So we have made a separate video on this. Whenever the bases or powers of 2, how to solve them. So we have solved it. It is powers of 2 to power 3, and this is powers of 2 to power 4. So how to solve this is convert this. So how to solve this is, first we have to convert into base 2, and then this base 2 number has to be converted into that number, base 16 number. How to solve this is, base 2 means we have to take the decimal equivalent of each and every digit in 3-bit combination. It is 7 means 7 represented in 3 bits, 111, and next 5 means 101, 6 means 110. So this is the binary equivalent of 657, and we have made a separate video on this. Okay, so every concept that we are trying to solve, so the concepts that we are trying, the bits that we are trying to solve, the concepts related to these bits were already covered in 25 to 30 videos. Hoping that you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. Every video in our channel is going to be a part of a complete playlist or a complete course, full course. In order to get better understanding of the concepts, please watch our complete playlist, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now this number in binary is this, and now in order to convert this into base 16, we have to take the combinations of 4 bits. So this one has to be taken. 4-bit combinations are taken, we don't have, so we'll take extra 3 bits. This is 1 bit, this is 1 in the binary, and this is in the hexadecimal. 1010 is 10 in binary, and it is in hexadecimal it is A, and 111 means 15 in binary, 15 in hexadecimal is F. So the hexadecimal equivalent of 657 is 1AF. This is the hexadecimal representation, and the right option is A. So this is the way in which we can solve these bits. Hope you got the concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding these concepts, please post your doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.